Hey, what's up guys, how are you going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So this is just a new update from Kalodata, and I just want to share with you guys, so in case you are not aware of it. So Kalodata just added some more countries to their platform, and I just think I need to show you guys. So Kalodata now support in Brazil, Spain, Japan, Germany, Italy, and France. So I don't know if you are aware of that before, but then if not, I think you are now aware. If you are in Brazil or any of these countries listed right here, it's actually telling you that you can start using Kalodata to do product research and competitors research at the same time to find product that you can actually sell on your TikTok shop. And if you are running any country Kalodata account, you can see have access to some of this country product, but then you may not have full access because there will be a limit to what you can actually access on your own account. So for me, I'm running a professional account on my Kalodata USA, and I will be showing you how much it costs to subscribe to Kalodata, and then how you can also make use of it to find the best product that you can actually sell on your TikTok shop, right? So scrolling all the way down, you see top products. You see all these products are top in the United States right now, and if you navigate to another country, all this product is going to change to another language, to another country, sorry. So depending on which country you are actually from, then you will be able to have access to the different country product. So because I'm running based on United States, that's why I'm seeing all this type of product right here. So if I'm from another country, then I will have access to different product entirely. So I'm gonna switch so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So Brazil is a new country that was added, so I'm gonna switch to Brazil. Then you see this interface will change to another entire product. All right, just like I said, so you can see this product have changed. So product that are actually selling in the Brazil. So you can see hot selling ranking product. So all the shop will change, all the creators will change at the same time. So that tells that Kalodata tools is actually working and it's original. So every details that they're showing right here is unique and according to what is going on TikTok shop, right? So I'm gonna switch back to United States so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So I still have an update to share with you, so just stick around to the end of this video. So, and I also have a discount for you if you haven't subscribed to Kalodata before, but then you just want to give it a trial. You can get up to 10% if you use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata, or if you use Mosby on the checkout page. I'm going to show you how to go around it. So these are the United States data, right? So you can see data for other countries at the same time, so it does depend on where you're actually coming from, right? So after that, let's go back to the pricing page, which is quite very important. So if you are from United States, you're gonna be subscribing to Kalodata for this amount. For the starter plan, that's $46. Then for the professional, that's $100. And for the enterprise, that's you have to contact the customer support center. And if you go for the yearly plan, you're gonna be paying $30.03, $83.02, and for the enterprise you're gonna contact support. But then for you to pay this amount, I also have a discount code for you to pay lesser than this if you are going for the yearly or if you are going for the monthly. So let's say you want to subscribe to the professional plan, which is the best. So I still want to show you why this professional is the best, right? So just click on buy, then straight to this page. You can see how much it's going to cost you for a yearly plan. But if you apply this code right here, it's going to give you 10% discount. Then you're going to be paying that's like $100 off, right? So you're gonna be paying $899.10, right? So that's a lot, literally. That's if you are using TikTok for business, basically. So that is it. Just apply Mosby and then you get the discount code of 10%. And the reason why I actually suggest you go for the professional plan is because it supports the Amazon product data research. You can see find TikTok potential product with Amazon data, right? It's not included on the starter plan right here, so that's why I would definitely recommend you to purchase the professional plan. So, and you can see all the features right here, and you can see how much data you can have access to compared to the starter plan, and then compared to the all this AI service export 1,000 creators contact per month. So this is quite an amazing. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see some other features right there that you might be very much interested in, right? So that is it for Kalodata new countries supported, and then the new features that it's added to the professional plan. So just in case you are interested and you want to be making money from TikTok shop, so I would suggest you go for this plan. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.